Hey lab enthusiasts! Welcome to a quick walkthrough video of our new Fume Hood Performance Tracker software. This software is an invaluable tool for fume hood testers and lab managers, revolutionizing how we manage fume hood safety. It allows testers to create an easy-to-search online database of fume hoods and their safety test results, making compliance easier and test results more accessible than ever before. In a nutshell, the software lets testers log a fume hood and assign a unique label to it. From then on, anyone can scan the QR code and see that the hood has been tested and certified as safe to use. Let's walk through the software quickly. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your different clients or organizations that you test fume hoods for. Inside an organization's profile, you'll find important information and associated buildings, floors, and rooms. Each room contains a database of tested fume hoods, making it easy to locate specific equipment. You can also search for hoods by their identification number, instantly pulling up detailed information and test results. When viewing a fume hood, you'll see photos, identification numbers, specs, and even safety certificates. You can also log individual performance test results, bringing unprecedented detail and accessibility to fume hood testing. This is exactly what we set out to do: make fume hood testing simple and bring it into the modern world. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough. Stay in touch to learn more about laboratory furniture, fume hoods, and ventilation.